Hi families, it's Mrs. DeFlorio. As we move into our second week of school, I wanted to provide you with a video to quickly summarize how to get to Schoology and how to find your child's course pages, but I also wanted to give you some more specific math information such as where to find math assignments for the week, including classwork and homework, and how to find your child's daily exit ticket, which is the component of their math lesson that receives a grade. I'm also going to be showing you how to use that exit ticket and how to submit it. So starting with how to get to Schoology, if you are using a Mastery laptop, you should be able to get to Schoology just by clicking the rainbow Chrome button at the bottom of your screen. And for most of the Mastery laptops, that should take you straight to Schoology. However, if it doesn't, if instead it takes you to somewhere like Google, you can get back to Schoology by going to the top of your screen, and where you see that I have a small lock, you will see that you have a small house, and you're going to click on that house, and by clicking on that house, it will take you to Schoology. If you are using a personal laptop or a personal computer, you can get to Schoology by typing in this website address, which is masteryk12pa.schoology.com/home. and using your child's Schoology login information. Once you are on Schoology, you can find your child's course pages in two different ways. You can either click the course pages at the top of the screen, which will show you all of the courses that they have access to, or you can also click on the course dashboard, which will do the same thing. So if we wanted to go to math, we're going to click on Math with Mrs. DeFlorio. And all of the assignment information, including classwork and homework information, you're going to find all of that by clicking on the Assignments button. And once you are there, you're going to see that the assignments for the week have been separated and organized by day. At the top of that screen, there is going to be a weekly assignments page, which just summarizes the classwork, problems and pages, as well as the homework assignments. So if we were to open up one of the days of the week, we're going to see that there are three different things in here, starting with the agenda and classwork. So this is sort of like a checklist for student. It tells them which lesson they're going to be learning that day, the page numbers and problem numbers that they need to complete, where they will find their exit ticket on Schoology, and the Zern lesson that they need to complete for homework. Also here is a video link. This is in the event that your child might be absent and isn't able to attend the live Zoom meeting with me. They can click on the link left here, which will give them a video of that day's lesson. The next thing that you're going to find is the exit ticket, and then the last thing is a direct link to the Zern homework assignment. So if we were to open the exit ticket, it's a little bit confusing at first because you'll notice that there's nothing here to work on. What's normally going to show up on this page when you first click on the assignment is some directions or a recording that tells us the directions. To actually view the exit ticket, you have to click on My Document. And if you are doing this for the first time, then you are also going to have to log into Google. But once you have logged into Google once, you shouldn't have to do it again. You'll log into Google by clicking on the Connect button, and then by finding your name. It has to be your Mastery account, so it has to say @mcsstudent.org at the end, but you'll click on your name and then click on the blue Allow button. Once you have done that, you'll have to wait maybe 10 seconds, and then the exit ticket should pop up on your screen. So these exit tickets are really student-friendly because instead of making students draw pictures, the pictures are kind of provided for them. They just have to drag and drop them to where they want them to be. And then there are boxes that students can click on and type in their answers. So for this exit ticket, which is a sample, it says that we need to draw a picture to show 2 + 2 + 2 = 6, and then complete the equation, which is 2 × 3. So to do that, all we have to do is click down and hold down as we click, and then we can move the pictures to where we want them to be. There's always going to be more pictures than we actually need, so that's something to be aware of. It's important that you only use what you need to correctly answer the question and get the exit ticket correct. So we've got 2 + 2 + 2, and then these ovals are actually to help me make my picture even more organized. So now I have my picture to show 2 + 2 + 2, and then I'm going to complete the equation. To be able to type, we just have to click once, and then you can just type using your keyboard. If you happen to click out of where you just typed and you need to get back to it, you're going to have to double click on it, and then just be careful to move the cursor over and delete it. If you accidentally click on it to retype and hit backspace and it disappears, you can just click undo to bring it back, or if you can't get it back, you can come up to the top here and create a text box for yourself to retype again. The last step, which is really important, is that once your child is finished with their exit ticket, they need to go to the top of the screen and click the Submit Assignment button. If they forget to do this, then it won't get handed in to be graded. Another option that students have is that if they have the exit ticket open and it's feeling really small, they can click this Edit button and it will open it in a new screen where it will become a little bit bigger for them. However, if you do choose to open it this way, then you need to remember to go back to Schoology and click that Submit Assignment button when you are finished. So you'll want to click that button and then click Yes, Submit. Something that's important to know is that after you click the Submit Assignment button, you won't be able to change your work and resubmit it. So let's say you submitted your work and then realized you made a mistake. You'll be able to go back and kind of move things around, but it won't save that way for your teacher. You won't be able to submit it again. So make sure that you're really sure about your work before you hand it in, so that you can get the best grade possible. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Just a reminder that by clicking on the Assignments button, you'll find our weekly schedule, which has our classwork and homework assignments and any reminders, but then also that by clicking on each day, you'll have access to a student checklist, the exit ticket, and then the Zern homework assignment for the day.